This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Great opportunity to purchase an active income-producing rental in historic 4th and Gill. A classic 19th century craftsman, this property features 4 separately metered units. Each contains a separate full bath and kitchen. Laundry on site. Large covered front porch. Area to park up to 5 vehicles on rear of property. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.